Hi, this is Sue, and I am Sam, and Sue is going to show you how to install a milling connector.
This is one of my favorite products, Sam, because it's very easy. It comes pre-assembled with the hardware needed. You slide it into the end of the extrusion. You line up the piece with so that it's flush with the end. With your T-handle, you tighten this down.
Oh, so no machine needed.
No machine
Great.
needed. Get your mating piece of extrusion. This is a hammer nut down here. Once you start to tighten that hammer nut, it turns into the slot, locks in, and by tightening this, it's drawing the two pieces together, and you have a nice secure connection.
But how about if you wanted to have the extrusion in the middle? Or
Certainly. You just loosen this up a little bit, take it to the location that is needed.
Wow,
And
that is
tighten it
so
up.
easy.
I know, that's why it's my favorite one.
Go here to find structural frames and components for your applications. For more SureFrame and FATH videos, go here. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our great videos.